Virtuo Vivo Patient Management. Become familiar with the Edit Patient function available in the Patient View. Learn how to reassign a patient to a new dentist. Log in under your user account. Navigate to the fifth icon located in the navigation panel on the left-hand side. Here you can view patients saved under the current user. You can search by patient name. You can add new patients for further appointments from this view. Simply type in patient information. Once completed, save the information. You can modify patient details by using the three dots menu and selecting Edit. You can also preview your patient files and open the case. Now, let's switch to the Administrator view. Once logged into the Administrator account, navigate to the Patient tab. Assigning a patient to practitioner is only available under the Administrator user. Click on the three dots menu and select Edit. You can reassign your patient to another dentist already added to Virtuo Vivo directory. Save the changes once finished.